You go there. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for coming. I just have a very brief statement. First of all, I'd like to very much thank my constituents for the support that I'm continuing to receive through this issue, both from those who voted for me and from those who didn't. I'd like to very much thank my team who have supported me throughout this period, both in the election and the legal team in the last few weeks, who have done a superb job. Ladies and gentlemen, you will have heard in the court this afternoon that we are applying for a judicial review of this decision, and we will be doing that as soon as we leave this building. And in light of that ongoing action, I won't be saying anything on the case today. I will, of course, be doing so in future. And in light of that, I'd like to ask my solicitor, Mr. Gerald Shamash, who is also the solicitor of the Labour Party, to make a statement on my behalf. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I have the following statement to make on behalf of Phil Woolas. This election petition raised fundamental issues about the freedom to question and criticise politicians. The court has found that the election leaflets put out on my behalf contained three statements which breached Section 106 of the Representation of the People Act 1983. The court accepted that all three statements were attacks on the petitioner's political conduct, but held that the statements also related to the petitioner's personal character or conduct. In reaching this decision, the court adopted an interpretation of conduct decided in a case nearly 100 years ago when considering a 19th century statute. The court has decided that an election should be overturned and an MP should lose his seat and be incapable of being elected to the House of Commons for 3 years. Because statements which attacked a candidate's political conduct were also attacks on his honour and purity. Those who stand for election and participate in the democratic process must be prepared to have their political conduct and motives subjected to searching scrutiny and inquiry. They must accept that their political character and conduct will be attacked. It is vital to our democracy that those who make statements about the political character and conduct of election candidates are not deterred from speaking freely for fear that they may be found to be in breach of electoral laws. This decision will inevitably chill political speech. I consider this issue of such importance that I have instructed my legal team to issue an application for judicial review of this decision immediately. In view of this decision, I am advised that it's not appropriate to take any questions, and I'd like to thank you. Thank you, everybody.
How can there be a judicial review where the election is void? The election is void.
Mr. Woolas, why did you cheat? Do you think
Mr.
it was
Woolas,
right
you
to
knew what you were
stoke up
saying was
racial
wrong.
tensions in a town like
You knew what you were saying was
Oldham?
wrong.
Have you ever cheated before, Mr. Woolas?